In this video, you will learn how to claim Lemfi, send money referral code. To claim a Lemfi referral bonus, first download the Lemfi app and enter a valid referral code during sign-up. Complete identity verification (KYC) by uploading your ID and verifying your email. Then, send a qualifying first transfer to a supported country. This must be a single international transfer that meets the minimum amount required in your region. In the USA, send at least 100 to 150 USD to receive a $20 to $30 bonus. Or in the UK, send 50 to 100 GBP to get a £10 bonus. In Canada, send 100 CAD to receive 30 CAD bonus. In Europe, send €50 to get a €15 bonus. Once your transfer is completed and approved, your bonus will be automatically credited to your Lemfi wallet. Both you and the referrer will receive the bonus if all terms are met. Bonuses and transfer minimums may change based on ongoing promotions or your country of residence.